Hello. So, one thing I am thankful of is Kuya is here, so may mga tools siya because I'm always planning to get this aircon clean myself. It's okay. So there you are. Okay, good thing that, oh my gosh, nahulog. So ayan, nakita ko na rin. Hanap tag something butanganan here para make sure na hindi siya mawawala, bro. Maybe mirror na lang. Yan. Sorry for my messy room. Okay, so balik ta. Wait. I realized na kakapalit lang namin ng bed cover. So, baka madumihan siya. So, I need like used clothes siguro or blanket to just cover there. Hold on. Ta-da! So, let's get this. So, natanggal na dito. Tanggal ko na. Tiri na po sa pikas. Kasi sabi daw so, tingnan mo, napakahirap kasi masyadong malaki to, kaya mahina yung buga ng aircon because madumi yung filter ng aircon. Ang hirap. Wait, so this is the right one. This is not actually the screwdriver that I was looking for, but I guess it fits naman. Let's try. As long as it's lapad, right? Kasi mas maliit to dito. So let's check. So far kasya naman siya. Medyo matik. Ay, yun, nag-move, bro. Nag-move siya. Perfect, bro. Natanggal siya, bro. Lagay natin dito. I'll try to clean this myself kasi. But the challenge here is ito paano ba to? Namove ba to? Ay, very good. Umiikot siya, bro. Naikot siya. I'll be back. Nasira siya, oh. Pero okay lang. Isa lang naman. Oh my gosh. So, tanggalin natin dito. So, nakaganyan siya. Babalik ako ng video na to kapag malinis na to at babalik ko sa kanyang place. So now, the next thing that we're gonna do is to scrape this. The purpose of this is para hindi masyadong nakasingaw yung lamig sa likod niya. Ay, kunin ko na lang yung ano ko. Okay. It's okay. May pamalit nito. So, I'm now scraping it. Okay. Tanggalin din natin to. Meron naman tayong pamalit kasi feeling tayo eh. Ay, nadidikit pa siya, bro. Lakas eh. Dito na lang natin lagay. My room is still pangit. Takot kasi ako eh. Ako yung tipong tao na takot akong masayang yung pera na ginastos ko. So, kapag hindi ko to naagapan, like, nagmamatigas pa ako ng ulo at hihintayin ko yung husband ko na umuwi para lang malinisan to. Baka before pa siya mauwi, you know, masira yung aircon. 7K lang naman to eh. Pero, kahit 7K, i-add natin yung, yung labor. sa pag-install ng aircon. That's a total of 12k or almost 13, diba? Kasi may mga plus pa yan eh. Now, the challenge there is how am I gonna take this off. I'll be back. So, ayun. Medyo nag-stop tayo for a while. Kasi my problem is how am I going to take this out, yung aircon. Kasi masira. So, I guess I really need to watch YouTube muna. No? I'll be back. Okay. Hi guys. The first mistake that I got in trying to taking out this aircon is unplugging. You need to unplug this first for safety, no? So you unplug this before going to remove everything from there. So i-unplug muna natin yan. Ay, i-off siguro muna natin to for charis lang. Unplug. That's it. I don't know if it is safe to go na, but let's continue watching the YouTube tutorial. Hi bro, so we successfully take this out from the wall. It's so mahirap, that's why I called my kuya for the assistance kasi this is so mabigat. There's water inside, kaya kanina may mga tubig dun. So the next thing that we're gonna do is to continue watching the YouTube if I still need to disassemble this whatsoever. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, this is so madumi. And I was actually trying earlier to take this off, but it's so matigas, napakahirap. So I decided to just maybe tatanggalin ko na lang tong mga ano dito. I need to do it myself because sayang yung 500 to 1k to just for the aircon cleaning. Di pwede mawala yung mga screw mesh. So this is my first time doing it. I hope that it will be successfully done. So the next time that mahina na naman yung aircon, I have to check if super dumi na talaga niya. So as you can see, napakadumi niya na, no? There. So there's a lot of ano dito, here and there. Tanggalin din natin. Na-move pa nga. This is mahirap pero it's improving. Yes, you can see. Napakadumi, right? Dito, siyang matigas. So, as you can see, this is so madumi talaga. I don't know if I'm doing it right. But hindi naman ako kinakabahan. Oh my god, there's water inside. I hope I'm doing it right. Mapapatay ako ng husband ko, bro. So, after disassembling this, pupunta na ako sa car wash. Car wash? Diba? Okay, so I now know the reason why this is so hard to take out. It's because ito pala yung naka-hold. Ganun. Kala ko may screw pa. So I guess this is like good to go na. Going to car wash na. I-clean ko na to siya. Grabe, kapal be. Ang kapal na ano. Tingnan mo. So, of course, kailangan muna natin i-cover to para siguro di mapasukan ng water. I don't know. Okay, I'll be back. So, before I am going to clean that, ito muna, lilinisin ko. Dito ko lang to lilinisin. After that, i-expose ko siya sa sun para madaling what do you call it, matahay. Okay, let's go. First clean. Ito yung next. Tadaan! Yo. It's all clean. Hi. You know, everyone I know, knows na I'm not letting myself leave from a place, or let's say from house or from school, without applying cream and powder. I wanna look haggard, you know. I'm not beautiful and then I'm so haggard. Paano yan? So, nagpulbo po tayo, guys. Apply tayo ng blush. The first plan is to ask my sister's assistance in, you know, because she'll be the one to carry the because we're gonna ride motorcycle sana, and she'll be the one to, what do you call this, to carry the aircon. But I don't think it's madali kasi first of all it's mabigat, and then madumi siya, and then may water pa. So I decided to, oh my gosh, namulong ako kundi, to just ride on tricycle. So, oh my gosh, I'm so haggard, right? So, mabaho pa naman. I'll apply, spray perfume na lang. So, there's a chika na wala daw pasok bukas. I hope that it's true. Pwede na to? Okay na to? Bye! Hi, so I have successfully cleaned the aircon. So, this is now.
Barrel eyes are small fish that use their strange upward pointing eyes to hunt from below their prey, able to live and therefore presumably see in the pitch dark as far down as 2,500 meters. Some go to the other extreme and have almost given up on using sight, like the small eye snipe eel.
Magardo naman yan. Ha? Tatlong araw pa yan. Ano yung mga patayin mo? Saka yung ano? Kaya ka lang. Dala patayin.
Okay. So, that's perfect. Guys, pwede na ako mag-sideline. Aircon cleaning, you know. So far, ang lamig na ng ng buga niya. Perfect. Love it. You're doing